Hello, my name is Ocean and I work at Relocation Vietnam. Today I'm really happy to present you the 5 misconceptions that people have before coming to live in Vietnam. The first fear is about medical. Well, you have to know that we have really good surgeons and doctors here in Vietnam. For the last several years, we have big investments, new infrastructures, and we hire a lot of different surgeons and doctors from all over the world. So in fact, you can first choose the nationality of your doctor or of your surgeon, and then choose the best one. For instance, me as French, I prefer to speak French about my health. So I'm looking for a French doctor or French surgeon, and then I choose the best. And for you, it will be the same because as I told you, we have all nationalities in Vietnam, so it will be easy for you to find it. And we have really good hospital and better to follow the doctor. Anyway, if you don't find the best one in Vietnam, you take the plane and in 1 hour, 1 hour 30, you are in Singapore or in Bangkok, and you can find the best one in these 2 places. Another fear that will concern parents is schools and education. Well, you have to know that we have both local one and international one. For the local one, they follow the educational program from Vietnam. So in fact, they mostly speak Vietnamese and really few English. And the program are in Vietnamese. So I suggest you to choose an international school. For instance, we have 2 international schools here in Ho Chi Minh City who propose international baccalaureate. So it's European International School and International School of Ho Chi Minh. We also have French school, American school, Australian school, British one, Korean one, Japanese one. We have every international school from every different nationalities, mostly here in Vietnam and mostly in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm sure that you will find the perfect one for your child, but be prepared to pay, as it's an international school, international prices. Another point really important for expatriate people is Western product or product for your country. You have to know that we found everything in Vietnam and mostly in Ho Chi Minh City, the most important city for economy in Vietnam. You can find everything that you want. For instance, for French or American people, you can find all your products, all the products you can find in the US or in France or in Europe. Another point that you should be aware of is public transport. Well, there is for now, for soon, 2 options. The first one is local buses, but it's quite complicated to use them because you are dependent of them and because you should speak Vietnamese to ask the driver to stop exactly where you want to stop. The second option that we will use soon is the subway. The subway should be delivered in 2021, so we cross finger that in 1 year or maybe 2 years, we can use it. So you will ask me, but how can I move? Well, you have 2 options, 3 in fact. The first one is to use taxis or Grab. Grab is an app, same like Uber. And you have motorbikes and taxis, cars, to help you to move. Then you have the option to rent a motorbike. And you can drive by having an international license driver. And the third option is to hire a driver to drive your car. Because in fact, you cannot drive by yourself. It's really complicated, it's a lot of logistics. And there is few infrastructure. For instance, there is no car parks in Vietnam, and mostly in Ho Chi Minh City, which is a huge city. So you cannot park by yourself, and somebody has to wait in the car until you can move out. So, in fact, you have to know that you cannot buy any car or any motorbike by yourself. It should be owned by a Vietnamese one. Last but not least, another difficult problem is to open a bank account. Well, it's not difficult, it's just complicated to understand. So I will do my best to explain to you how it works. There is 2 options. The first one, you have a work permit. So it will be easy because every bank will accept that you open a bank account as foreigner with a work permit. So in fact, there is 3 things you have to know. The first one is you can transfer from your foreign bank account on your Vietnamese bank account. You can transfer money, and the other opposite, you can transfer money from your Vietnamese bank account to a foreign bank account if you have a work permit. Another thing to know is you can transfer from your Vietnamese bank account as foreigner to a Vietnamese bank account owned by a Vietnamese, but you cannot do the same for foreigners. Another point is if you don't have any work permit. In that way, some bank will allow you to open a bank account, but it will be not always the case, okay? And compared, you have the same rights than if you have a work permit, but the only problem is to transfer your Vietnamese money on your foreign bank account. In that way, because you don't have any work permit, you cannot prove that it's legally. So except if you have a proof that the money you won is legal, you can transfer the money to this bank account, to your foreign bank account. But if you cannot, I suggest you to take some cash from the bank, all your money, and go to the plane with it. Okay, it's the end for me. I hope you understand everything I said. I'm sorry in advance if you don't. If you have any question, just send us an email and I will be happy to reply to you. And I hope you can change your mind. If you ask yourself, do I move to Vietnam or not? Please come, we will be happy to help you.